subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell icon. Thank you. Governor Wike to replace police, orders with task force. The Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike said on Monday that the state government would establish a task force to replace federal security agencies manning its border. Wike explained that the establishment of a task force to man the border became necessary because of the likelihood of sabotage from federal security agencies. The governor, who disclosed this on Monday while signing the executive order RVSG 02 number 3/2020 at the Government House, Port Harcourt, said, "This is the third executive order that I will be signing since the coronavirus pandemic started. This third executive order is very important. We suspect there will be sabotage on the part of the security agencies. That is why we are appointing a task force to man our borders. We owe our people a duty to protect them. There is likely to be sabotage. Our task force will be at the borders to protect our people." Wike maintained that the laws on the restriction of movement must be implemented for the safety of everyone. Also, Attorney General of Rivers State, Professor Zaccheaus Adengo, said the two legal instruments signed by the governor would help in the fight against coronavirus. He said the Quarantine Coronavirus and Other Infectious Diseases Regulation stipulates non-custodial sentences for offenders, adding that individuals will be fined 50,000 naira, while corporate organizations will be 1 million naira. Adengo said that the regulations directed the Chief Judge of Rivers State to assign a judge or magistrate to try offenders. That is the news actually coming from Rivers State, from Governor Wike to be precise. I think, in my own opinion, Governor Wike is really doing the right thing, because a government owns its citizens the right to, like every citizen have the right to protection. If you could recall some days back, Governor Wike, when he arrested the Exxon Mobil, he said that the state government could not ascertain the health status of the arrested mobile employees. That as a responsive government will have quarantined them in line with the relevant health protocols, and they will be charged to court. Then the arrest of the mobile workers comes a few days after the Cavorting helicopter pilots and their 10 passengers were arrested, charged to court, and remanded in Port Harcourt prison for allegedly violating the lockdown orders in Rivers State. So in my own, I'm thinking that he was really doing the right thing. Then some Nigerians have also reacted to this. Someone said the IG will deploy the Commissioner of Police of Rivers State to sabotage Wike's efforts. That is why he needs to remove police from the border. Smart man. Then another comment I have here said, "How will the task force effect the arrest of the offenders, please? The Rivers State has its own security. I still believe you will bring in police to the task force." Then one other comment I have here said, "This is one of the reasons the federal government is taking precautions against establishing state police. The likes of him would bastardize the state police." Then another comment I have here said, "Police are meant to maintain and enforce law and order. If Wike replaces police with task force, then what is the essence of police? Even the police have been politicized." Then the last comment I have here said, "Thank you very much, sir. Police are not reliable. They can endanger our lives because of 500 naira. Replace them fast." Guys, you too can as well be part of this discussion by dropping your comments and your thoughts at the comment section. Then do subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell icon to get notified whenever we make a new upload. Thank you.